What's up, squad? It's your girl Lala Renee MUA. We back with another little video. You feel me? I'm just coming to y'all today because I was so excited about this Minnie Mouse bun, bow bun. All right, and I seen it on Cardi B when she had the pink hair. So I was like, you know what? I want to try the little bow bun. And I know it's going to be hard. It's going to be kind of difficult because of this being synthetic. That was a little bit lopsided. The other side didn't want to act right. So, honey, it was a struggle. But we managed to pull it together, all right? So, if you got any of your little synthetic wigs laying around, right? And you just like, I don't know how to style this wig. I don't know how to style it. Girl, get you one of these little bow buns. You know what I mean? It's a little childish, but it's cute, you know? So if you guys want to see how I got this look, make sure you stay tuned. Keep watching this video. And if you haven't checked out this eye look, make sure you go and click back on the previous video. You know what I mean? So you can catch that. Alright? Alright. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe too. Hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a look. Or any type of video. Anything. Cool? Anything. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so I guess to achieve this look, you're gonna need like a wig brush, a comb, some hair ties, of course. I know I got the pink one. I think I might use this one because it's a little bit on the thin side. What, y'all? Some bobby pins. Let me see. Did I bring my bobby pins in here? Oh yeah, I sure did. Some little pins, and we're gonna see, y'all. So by this hair being thick, this is some thick hair. All right, so I don't know if I want to bring like the whole ponytail up. I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? And then, y'all, it's a string, a white string, which, oh my God, I don't know how long that was there. I hope it wasn't there for that long. Let's pull that out. Hope I don't mess up nothing in the process. Okay. All right, so this hair might be a little bit on the thick side. So the main thing that y'all need to do is make sure the wig is detangled really well. And make your sections. Pull up the pieces of hair that you want to pull up. This hair is on the thick side, so just be careful, okay? Because this hair, by being a silky texture, it does tangle very, very fast. Detangle your ponytail now. Just like that, and leave like a little space like that, y'all. All right, make sure your hair ain't sticking up or nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna pull just a little bit more hair through there because I want my bun to be kind of big. Now that I got it the size that I want, I'm gonna separate it. I'm gonna stick my thumb right in the middle of the hole, and I'm gonna fan it out. Then I'm gonna take a bobby pin. I'm gonna stick it through there. Okay. And I'm gonna do the same for this side right here. I'm gonna stick my thumb, using my index finger as well. I'm gonna fan it out. Stick my bobby pin through. All right. Now I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna braid it because the hair is a little bit on the thick side. So I'm just gonna braid it. So, it's a little bit floozy. It's a little floozy because I think, you know, synthetic. So I'm trying to get it to like stay up. I think I'm gonna have to spray my Got To Be spray on it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna secure the back. Chanel, I'm liking this. I am cute. How you doing? Where's Sadie? Okay. Alright. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go get some Got To Be spray. Y'all, I just want it to be perfect. I don't want it to be all lopsided or nothing. I want it to be perfect. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm gonna get some spray and I'm gonna spray it and then try to see if it's gonna hold the way I have it shaped. Alright. And this is the perfect style for like birthdays, graduations. We just want that to hold and stay up there like so. Give it a little bit of blow dry and I'm gonna come back with the end result. You know, this side is a little bit on the lopsided side, but guess what? Who cares? All right, so yes, I'll be right back, you guys. IG. So this is the end of this hair look. Tell me what y'all think. When Cardi B first posted it with the pink hair, that is when I wanted to do this style. Never got around to it, so yeah. And I'm so glad I did it because it's so pretty. Yeah, especially with this makeup look. Can't tell me nothing.